Hello everyone, welcome back. In this video, when road ragers messed with the wrong person, we take a look at intense road rage encounters that quickly flip the script, delivering instant karma and proving how fast anger on the road can backfire. This motorcyclist got instant karma right after insulting another vehicle on the road. These aggressive drivers in Romania will soon regret their actions. She chose to confront the situation, spraying pepper spray and slamming the door with a defiant attitude. Unfortunately for her, the law reacted even faster than that recklessness.
Perfect. Not an admission of guilt, just stating that you show upon or before the court date, okay?
He thought ambushing a police officer would give him the upper hand, until pure courage and a random passerby taught him a lesson he'll never forget.
Stop! I only ask. We need to take the knife away from him. Sir, I only ask. Please drop it, drop it, drop it. Sir, drop it. Can you do me this favor? Sir, drop it. Drop it, sir. Got him? Come on. Come on.
Get on your stomach now!
Speeding recklessly and ignoring danger, this car eventually couldn't escape the consequences. This car tried to run a red light and was immediately hit with instant karma. When the green car deliberately picked a fight and tried to force other vehicles off the road, karma struck instantly.
Oh my god! Oh my god! You fucking idiot! Call 911 right now!
This motorcyclist was incredibly foolish. The police watched the entire reckless driving display, and the moment the driver tried to speed up, he was dealt with on the spot. He messed with the wrong person. Now protect yourself with proper gear and avoid dangerous situations like this. Wow, that car trying to speed on an unfamiliar road learned a lesson the hard way.
Stupid fucking retard, man. Halfway around the turn. Oh, shit.
Road disputes only make things worse. This motorcyclist paid the price for his careless and weaving riding. The lesson here is simple. Don't mock another vehicle having trouble on the road. Karma shows up fast.
Oh, there he goes. There he goes. Oh, are you okay? Yeah.
Police won't ignore drivers who disrespect pedestrian crosswalks. Even though he was in the wrong, he still tried to ram the car in front, and Karma showed up immediately. That's the end of when road ragers messed with the wrong person. Which clip felt like true instant karma? Have you ever seen road rage turn out like this? Drop your thoughts below and let us know what you'd like to watch next.